welcome back to our channel. 10 Minutes Exploration, where we explore the wonders of the underwater world. Today, we're going to dive into the deepest point of the ocean, the Mariana Trench. How deep is it? What lives there? And how did humans manage to reach it? Let's find out. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean, about 200 kilometers east of the Mariana Islands. It is a long and narrow depression in the ocean floor, measuring about 2,550 kilometers in length and 69 kilometers in width. It is also the deepest part of the ocean, reaching a maximum depth of 10,984 meters at a spot called the Challenger Deep. That's almost 11 kilometers or 7 miles below the surface. To put that into perspective, if you placed Mount Everest at the bottom of the trench, its peak would still be more than 2 kilometers below the water level. The Mariana Trench was formed by a process called subduction, where one tectonic plate slides under another. In this case, the Pacific plate is being pushed under the Philippine plate, creating a huge crack in the Earth's crust. This crack is constantly expanding and deepening as the plates move. The pressure at the bottom of the trench is immense, about 1,086 times greater than at sea level. That means for every square inch of your body, you would feel more than 15,000 pounds of force. The temperature is also very low, ranging from 1 to 4 degrees Celsius or 34 to 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite these harsh conditions, life still exists in the trench. Scientists have discovered various microorganisms, worms, crustaceans, fish, and even octopuses that have adapted to survive in this extreme environment. So how did humans manage to explore this dark and mysterious place? Well, it took a lot of courage and technology. The first attempt was made in 1875 by a British ship called Challenger 2, which used a weighted rope to measure the depth of the trench. They recorded a depth of 8,184 meters or 26,850 feet at that time. The first manned expedition was in 1960 by two oceanographers named Jack Picard and Don Walsh. They used a special submarine called Trieste, which was designed to withstand high pressure and low temperature. They descended for 5 hours until they reached the Challenger Deep, where they spent 20 minutes observing the seafloor. They saw some shrimp and fish, but their view was limited by the sediment stirred up by their submarine. The most recent solo expedition was in 2012 by filmmaker and explorer James Cameron. He used a custom-built submersible called Deep Sea Challenger, which was equipped with cameras and sensors. He reached the Challenger Deep after 2.5 hours, and spent more than 3 hours exploring and collecting samples. He saw some new species of animals and plants, but also some trash left by previous expeditions. But what exactly did they see at the bottom of the trench? What kind of creatures live there? And what can we learn from them? Let's take a closer look at some of the amazing and bizarre animals that inhabit this extreme environment. One of them is the anglerfish, which is famous for its bioluminescent lure that hangs from its head. This lure attracts prey in the dark depths of the ocean, where food is scarce. The anglerfish can grow up to 30 centimeters or 12 inches in length, and has a mouth full of sharp teeth that can swallow prey larger than itself. Another one is the viperfish, which is also bioluminescent and has long fangs that protrude from its mouth. The viperfish can reach up to 60 centimeters or 24 inches in length, and has a hinged skull that allows it to open its mouth wide enough to engulf its prey whole. A third one is the goblin shark, which is a rare and elusive species that has been nicknamed the living fossil because it has changed little over millions of years. The goblin shark has a long snout that contains electroreceptors that can detect prey in the dark. It also has a retractable jaw that can extend forward to catch its prey with its needle-like teeth. A fourth one is the giant squid, which is one of the largest and most mysterious animals in the ocean. The giant squid can grow up to 18 meters or 59 feet in length, and has 8 arms and 2 tentacles that are covered with suction cups and hooks. It also has large eyes that can measure up to 27 centimeters or 11 inches in diameter. These are just some of the amazing animals that live in the Mariana Trench. There are many more that have yet to be discovered or studied by scientists. Some of them could hold clues to the origin of life on Earth, as well as the possibility of life on other planets. The Mariana Trench is not only the deepest point of the ocean, but also the deepest point on Earth. It is deeper than the height of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. If you were to drop a stone from the surface of the ocean, it would take about an hour to reach the bottom of the trench. The Mariana Trench is also a place of scientific interest and exploration. Scientists have found evidence of volcanic activity, hydrothermal vents, and mineral deposits in the trench. They have also collected samples of rocks, sediments, water, and organisms for further study. As you can see, the Mariana Trench is a fascinating place that holds many secrets and surprises. It is also a reminder of how vast and diverse our planet is, and how much we still have to learn about it. What do you think about the deepest point of the ocean? Do you have any theories or opinions about it? Would like to visit the deepest point of the ocean? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.